Hello, welcome to St Albans Pottery. My name's Fiona Booy and today we're going to make penguins. What you're going to need is you're going to need a ball of clay, you're going to need a paintbrush, a pointy stick and some water and of course your fingers. Right, let's get started. Right, so to start off with you've got your clay. There's quite a lot of clay for your little tiny penguin. So what you'll want to do, you'll probably get 2 penguins out of this. The easiest way to half it is to twist it and then you've got 2 half balls. Take your one half, put it back in its packets and that will keep it from drying out. This bit over here, you again want to twist off probably 1/3 and keep 2/3. Right, this will be for all the little bits and this is the main piece. Okay, so I've patted it into a nice giant thumb shape. I've now got my thumb and I'm going to pop my thumb in the bottom. So you can see here, I've got my thumb in the bottom. I can then use my hands and I'm going to squish it all the way down my thumb. So all the way around, those walls are of a nice even thickness. Now you take your thumb out and you have the basic body shape. Right, so now as you can see, I've made 4 different thumb buddies and each of them I'm going to do hopefully in a slightly different way. So this first guy over here, we're going to make him and he's going to be a fairly regular guy. So we need to start with his eyes. To make his eyes, you want to break off 2 small bobs about the same size and you'll want to roll them. Okay, you'll want to break off a beak, quite a nice beak. What size of beak does he need? Not too big a beak. Okay, and you want to make it into a sort of a triangular shape beak like that. So you've got the penguin, you've got some eyes, you've got a beak. Now you also need his Flippy Flappers. So Flippy Flappers, there's several different ways of making them. This one, what we'll do is we'll do quite bold Flippy Flappers. So for that, you're going to need 2 sausages. Right, so I'm going to roll 1 sausage, okay, and then I'm going to half it. And what you want is slightly carrot shaped, so you want the ends of the wings, flippers, to be a little bit pointed like that. And then you get the other one. And it's much easier to do them both at the same time, rather than put one on and then you can't remember how big or small it was. This way you get more equal sized wings. All right, you want them slightly flat, okay. And then the other important thing is they need their little feet. So for the feet, you're wanting them to be round and then perhaps you flatten them a little bit and pinch a bit like that. So you can see I have made them round and I've pinched it. Round and I have pinched it. So there we have the 2 feet like that. So I might actually start with a beak. Now remember, anytime you're joining things, you get your pointy stick and you need to do hashtagging. So what we need to do is get the pointy stick and we draw on a hashtag like that. Okay, and we get the beak and we draw a hashtag on there. And then we get a paintbrush and we put it in some water and we put the water on there and then we're going to join them together. To squish them together, you've got your finger on the one side and you're going to push it against each other. And there you can see the little penguin now has a beak. Now it needs some eyes. So we get our 2 little balls, squish them flat a little bit, draw on your hashtag, draw on your hashtag, go to where they're going to be, get your paintbrush, water, 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 make sure your hand's on the inside and squish. So So you're pushing the clay against your finger. And the other one, here we have the beginnings. Then we need the little flippery wings. And I'm also going to make the flippers going out a little bit. So I've got the basic shape. I'm now rounding the top like that, and I am making it go out. Similarly, round at the top and making it go out like that, like that. So now you can see I'm going to stick on the two little flippery wing things. So once again, hashtag and hashtag. And the magic water, boom, boom, boom. And when you're joining these bits, what you want to do is be able to squish it enough that the inside plus the outside is still not thicker than your finger. You don't want to have large lumps of clay that don't dry. So there's our basic penguin. Now we need to add his little feet. And would you believe it? Hashtag, hashtag, bottoms, and over there. And we're going to go water, 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 and stick it on. And again, we're going to press these quite hard. These are quite easy to fall off. So you want to make sure they're stuck on very well. So I'm going to put him over here. He's not finished, but he's going to just foam up a little bit, and then I can do some more detail on him. The next one I'm going to do is a little baby. So the little baby is going to have quite big eyes, and they're going to come looking at you, and it's going to be looking up. So I'm going to put the eyes near the top, and the little baby is going to be looking up. The little baby is also going to have a lot more delicate flippers. So I'll finish this one off. I'll do a couple more for you. I'll show you what they look like, and then you can have your turn. This little guy that I showed you in the beginning, he's now got a bow tie. He's now got little dots in his eyes. I've drawn on the crack in his beak. I've also drawn on a little line here, so you can paint it. You can have the white and the black. So there he is, with this little tail at the back. Right. The next one is the baby. So this little baby, you see from the top, oh, he's so cute. It's the big eyes, and again, I've done a beak, and he's got like small little flippers, and his little feet I've cut out his toes. And again, he's got a little tail at the back. Then I've got a more serious emperor penguin. I've done him in less cartoon style. And I've done the markings, which will help me do the painting later. And then this little guy is a bit more of a Scottish penguin, I think, with his tartan hat. Right, enjoy. Send me some pictures.